Welcome to this CSS tutorial. Now in this video we're going to be talking about the CSS font family property. Now we've used the CSS font family property before, but I just wanted to expand a little more on it. So how this font family property works is now you can see we also have the page from our last tutorials. Now how this CSS font family works is go over to your style sheet. Now let's go over to the body. Let's go to the body and let's open our rule sets. Now remember, when we style the body, every element inside the body will have the effect, will have the stylings we are about to style now. Okay, so now we are simply saying font family. Remember, it's font hyphen family. Now font family is very important. We all know it's very important. If maybe you want to match a particular font to the theme of your website, that is where you use the CSS font family. Now how this works, you can see Visual Studio Code has automatically given us lots of options we can choose from. You can see them over here. Now let's choose the first one and I'll explain this. Now how this works is you can see we have Arial and then comma, we have Helvetica, and then we have comma, and then we have sans serif. Now how this works is if the browser in some way fails to load this Arial font, it will load the Helvetica font. Okay, if it fails to load the Helvetica font, it will load the sans serif font, and if it fails to load the sans serif font, it will load the normal default font of the browser. So that is how it works. But I think the chances of that is really slim, because I think it will definitely load Arial because it's a normal font in CSS. It will load it, but if it's in some way fails to load this, it will load the Helvetica. But if it fails to load the Helvetica, it will load the sans serif font. So that is how the font family property works in CSS. Now let's load this on our web page and see. Now this is the normal browser default font. Now let's refresh. I want you to see the changes now. Just let's refresh this. Refresh. Now did you see that change? Now this particular font is the Arial font. So the browser recognizes the font. So this is the Arial font. This font over here. This Arial font. But if it fails to load this one, it will load the Helvetica. So that is how the CSS font family property works. Yeah, I just wanted to make you guys understand this. We have already used the CSS font family before. I just wanted to expand on it a little bit. So that is it. Yeah, so that will be it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.